Let's take a look at one more option inside the print settings. Now, give you a scenario here. You've got a larger document, but you only want to print a specific section or area of that document. I don't want to print all of it, just an area. Looking at our worksheet here, perhaps I just want to print this. That's it. Nothing else. I don't want to print the title at the top, the little arrow, the min-max average, my chart, the smart art. I just want to print this area right there. There's actually a couple different ways to do this. The first one, really simple to do. You just highlight the area you want to print. You go to File, down to Print. Inside the Print Settings area, I get to tell it what to print. Currently, it's printing the active sheet, right? So all the content. If I go to the little drop down here, there's an option for Print Selection. So I'll grab that, and now I'm printing just that selected area. That's it. Okay? No chart, no smart art, no extra formulas that we created there, none of that title at the top, just the content that I had selected. And that's nice. There's going to come times where you got larger documents. I don't need everything on there. I just need a section or area of that document. Make the selection and then print the selection. Now that's one option. The other option, if it's something common, every week I get this document that comes to me and I print just a section of the document, and every week that data gets updated, but I just want the one section. Well, if it's that common, then you can set up a print area. Take a look. I'm going to go back to my normal layout view. I'll go up to my page layout tab, and there's an option for print area. Now, first thing I do here is I select the data that I want to set up as the print area, or the area that I want to print. Then I'll go up to print area, and I'll set the print area. Okay? That's it. So now I could have anything selected out there, doesn't matter what, but I can go back to File, Print, and I get just that area. That's it. Still print active sheets. I'm not doing print selection because remember I had an empty cell out there selected. But if this is something common enough, set up the print areas, right? And then you can manipulate all your other settings like centering on the page and your margins and your header and footer, but you've got that print area. If you don't want the print area, at least at the moment, you do have the option to ignore print area. That will take me back to the default. Okay? That way you keep the print area around when you need it. When you don't need it, then you can ignore it. I can get back in there and I can uncheck that and get back to my print area. So you got a couple of options. Print selection, or if it's common, something you do pretty regular, then set up a print area, manage your print settings, and you're good to go.